Well, this is something I haven't done in a while. I'm going to plant a tree real quick. And I say real quick because I've got probably 10 minutes of sunlight left, so I kind of thought we were going to try to do this tomorrow, but this is a guy I've done some stuff for us. Did the dirt work on this yard with him and some friends, or his dad, I think, sodded it, I believe. I think that was like 2 years ago or so, 2 or 3. I haven't talked to him since then. That was back when I was still landscaping, so. He called me up, and I wasn't, not real far from his house where I was working at, but I was trying to do this and tear up as least amount as possible in the yard, so I'm going to actually move his trailer, pull the excavator straight in, back the dump truck down to the curb, where I can put all my spoils and everything right in the truck. Some of it's, not all of it's going back in that hole, so. Yeah, to me, this is what makes the most sense, is to just move this straight down, dig what I need to dig. Then I can back straight in and straight out and do the least amount of damage to the yard. This is the one thing I don't really miss. It's not a big deal, but it's working on these existing yards when you're not wanting to tear up a whole lot. But like I said, being in landscaping, that's all I ever usually did before, so you just kind of make the best of it. And the other great part is, I guess I didn't pay attention. I left my tape measure in the motor because I was using it measuring on the house. I'll just go. I've already tore the yard up this way. I hate to track up the driveway and get marks on that, but I also hate to rub the yard up real bad in it. So I guess I'll take these flags out. So I'll just use the old sharpshooter trick. Just makes me nervous not knowing where the water lines, which they don't locate that anyway. They locate the meter, but they do not locate where it goes in the house, or where it goes from the meter to the house. Which is one reason I just don't want to take a gigantic bite. Because I could probably dig this hole in one shot, but dark, no lights, and you hit a water line. Lights, and the one on the boom hadn't worked in a long time, which is less than helpful. Lights would be good. Well, you guys can't see it, but I got it planted, so I gotta come back tomorrow and put some good dirt on my tracks because his yard was pretty soft. Felt bad about that. It was some bad tracks, but hey, I don't want to come back and make sure that tree is actually straight. It looks like it is, but I look at it one way and it looks like it's leaning. But we got it. and take the excavator to the shop, go get the loader, take it to the shop, and call it a night. Well, it got dark on me last night, so kind of brought a little bit of dirt back over here for my tracks. Got those filled in because the yard was pretty soft, and here's the finished tree. It's a loblolly pine, but yeah, it came out too bad, especially for doing that in the dark and everything. He's gonna come back and cut the ropes off of it, and he may be gonna mulch around it. These things will start dropping needles, and you don't really have to mulch around it. They'll just kind of drop the needles and about the same shape as the tree. You'll have a little ring around there out of needles, and the Bermuda will grow right back up to it. And as soon as this, Bermuda kicks back off, you'll never know that these tracks are here. But he may have some dirt spots for the winter. But we are on to the next one.